Dad, I need some money.
How much?
Not much. 500.
$500. You know, when I was a kid, my dad only gave me $2 for the whole month. And my older sister would take half of it. I got so frustrated about it, but I have no choice. So I started doing a part-time job. Then my salary came. It's $300. I was so happy, but my mother snatched the money and gave me $2 and said, "You are a kid, you don't need this much money." I was so sad. I complained about it to my father, and he told everything to Mom. Then Mom beat the sheet out of me.
Yeah, that's a sad story. Now give me the money. I don't have all day.